Welcome to our channel, Data is Everything. Today we will discuss the 10 amazing facts about black hole. Before moving to the facts, let us know, what is a black hole? A black hole is a space-time region where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. Now, we know what a black hole is. Let us know the amazing facts about the black hole. 1. You can't directly see a black hole. Because a black hole is indeed black, no light can escape from it. It's impossible for us to sense the hole directly through our instruments, no matter what kind of electromagnetic radiation you use, light, X-rays, whatever. The key is to look at the hole's effects on the nearby environment, points out NASA. 2. Einstein didn't discover black holes. Einstein didn't discover the existence of black holes, though his theory of relativity predicts their formation. Instead, Carl Schwarzschild was the first to use Einstein's revolutionary equations and show that black holes could form. He accomplished this the same year that Einstein released his theory of general relativity in 1915. From Schwarzschild's work came a term called the Schwarzschild Radius, a measurement of how small you'd have to compress any object to create a black hole. Long before this, British polymath John Michell predicted the existence of dark stars, so massive or so compressed that they could possess gravitational pulls so strong not even light could escape. Black holes didn't get their universal name until 1967. 3. Our Milky Way galaxy has a black hole. After hearing this, the next natural question is, how dangerous is a black hole? Is Earth in any imminent danger of getting swallowed? The answer is no. Astronomers say, although there is probably a huge supermassive black hole lurking in the middle of our galaxy. Luckily, we're nowhere near this monster. We are about 2/3 of the way out from the center, relative to the rest of our galaxy, but we can certainly observe its effects from afar. As the European Space Agency says, it's 4 million times more massive than our Sun, and that it's surrounded by surprisingly hot gas. 4. Dying stars create stellar black holes. Say you have a star that's about 20 times more massive than the Sun. Our Sun is going to end its life quietly. When its nuclear fuel burns out, it'll slowly fade into a white dwarf. That's not the case for far more massive stars. When those monsters run out of fuel, gravity will overwhelm the natural pressure the star maintains to keep its shape stable. When the pressure from nuclear reactions collapses, according to the Space Telescope Science Institute, gravity violently overwhelms and collapses the core, and other layers are flung into space. This is called a supernova. The remaining core collapses into a singularity, a spot of infinite density and almost no volume. That's another name for a black hole. 5. Black holes come in a range of sizes. There are at least 3 types of black holes, NASA says, ranging from relative squeakers to those that dominate a galaxy's center. Primordial black holes are the smallest kinds and range in size from 1 atom's size to a mountain's mass. Stellar black holes, the most common type, are up to 20 times more massive than our own Sun and are likely sprinkled in the dozens within the Milky Way. And then there are the gargantuan ones in the centers of galaxies, called supermassive black holes. They're each over 1 million times more massive than the Sun. How these beasts formed is still being examined. 6. The nearest black hole is likely not 1,600 light-years away. An erroneous measurement of V4641 Sagittarius led to a slew of news reports a few years back saying that the nearest black hole to Earth is astoundingly close, just 1,600 light-years away. Not close enough to be considered dangerous, but way closer than thought. Further research, however, shows that the black hole is likely further away than that. Looking at the rotation of its companion star, among other factors, yielded a 2014 result of over 20,000 light-years. 7. The first black hole wasn't discovered until X-ray astronomy was used. Cygnus X1 was first found during balloon flights in the 1960s, but wasn't identified as a black hole for about another decade. According to NASA, the black hole is 10 times more massive to the Sun. Nearby is a blue supergiant star that is about 20 times more massive than the Sun, which is bleeding because of the black hole and creating X-ray emissions. 8. Black holes are only dangerous if you get too close. Like creatures behind a cage, it's okay to observe a black hole if you stay away from its event horizon. Think of it as the gravitational field of a planet. This zone is the point of no return. But you can safely observe the black hole from outside of this arena. By extension, this means it's likely impossible for a black hole to swallow up everything in the universe, barring some major revision to physics or understanding of our cosmos. 9. Black holes will turn you and everything else into spaghetti. Black holes have this incredible ability to stretch you into a long spaghetti-like strand. This phenomenon is called spaghettification. The way it works has to do with how gravity behaves over distance. Your feet are closer to the center of Earth and are therefore more strongly attracted than your head. Under extreme gravity, near a black hole, that difference in the attraction will start working against you. As your feet get stretched by gravity's pull, they will become increasingly more attracted as they inch closer to the center of the black hole. The closer they get, the faster they move. But the top half of your body is farther away and so, it is not moving toward the center as fast. The result, spaghettification. 10. Black holes are the ultimate energy factories. Black holes can generate energy more efficiently than our Sun. The way this works has to do with the disk of material that orbits around a black hole. The material is nearest to the fringe of the event horizon on the inner edge of the disk will orbit much more quickly than the material at the very outer edge of the disk. This is because the gravitational pull is stronger near the event horizon. Because the material is orbiting and moving so rapidly, it heats to billions of degrees Fahrenheit, which can transform mass from the material into energy in a form called blackbody radiation. To compare, nuclear fusion converts about 0.7% of mass into energy. The condition around a black hole converts 10% of mass into energy. That's a big difference. Scientists have even proposed that this kind of energy could power starships of the future. These were the interesting facts about the black hole. Let us know in the comments, which of these facts blow your mind. Thank you for watching. Data is everything. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.